facilitating and rewarding our officers, which will go a long way in encouraging and motivating the Hyderabad Traffic Police. ఇంకా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి మన సిటీ పోలీస్కి మంచి పేరు తీసుకోవాలా. ఐ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆల్సో. 22 మార్చ్ నుంచి దట్ ఈస్ ద డే ఆఫ్ జనతా బంద్, జనతా కర్ఫ్యూ నుంచి కంటిన్యూస్గా మీరు చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి ఎంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ఇది మన లాక్డౌన్కి ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. వితౌట్ కేరింగ్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఓన్ హెల్త్ and selfless service and ఎంత మార్నింగ్ నుంచి నైట్ వరకు, లేట్ నైట్ వరకు, అర్లీ మార్నింగ్ వచ్చి తర్వాత లేట్ నైట్ వరకు ఇంత మన సిటీ హైదరాబాద్ సిటీలో ఎంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా మతలబ్ టు ఫైట్ దిస్ కరోనా వైరస్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ ద లాక్డౌన్ బట్ మన అవేర్నెస్ కోసం, పబ్లిక్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కోసం కూడా చాలా ఇది పని చేశారు. దో బై యూజింగ్ దిస్ ప్లే కార్డ్స్ ఆర్ బై యూజింగ్ దట్ కరోనా హెల్మెట్స్ అండ్ all other means, I was continuously watching while moving on the roads, visiting you people also at the checkpost. Adivanga, all your Delta officers, they were putting regularly the photos on our Delta group. And let me tell you that the work done by all of you, ఇది మన citizens కూడా appreciate చేశారు. They have also recognized the service and the sacrifice rendered by the police and especially traffic police, because ఈ సమయంలో అంటే కరోనా వైరస్ స్ప్రెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ పర్సన్ టు పర్సన్, కంటాక్ట్ ద్వారా స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ లాక్డౌన్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ కోసం ఖచ్చితంగా యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ ద డాక్యుమెంట్స్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ ద పర్సన్, సో యూ ఆర్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ ఇంటరాక్టింగ్ విత్ దెమ్. అండ్ రోడ్ మీద ఎవరు సస్పెక్ట్ ఉన్నారు, కరోనా సస్పెక్ట్ ఎవరికి తెలియదు. ఈవెన్ దట్ పర్సన్ ఆల్సో మే నాట్ బి నోయింగ్ దిస్ కరోనా ఇస్ లైక్ దట్. బట్ విదౌట్ కేరింగ్ ఫర్ who is suspect, who is normal, who is suffering, you people have done your duty very sincerely, without caring for your own health, without caring for your own life. Even you have sacrificed your family members also, because every day you go home, you can take this corona to your home also. But without caring all these your personal benefits, you have really done an excellent job. I salute all of you. Because of you only the department works. It's the only field level officers, because of them only all the government policy, all the laws, all the instructions are implemented. So I appreciate, I congratulate all of you. All of you have been selected by your officers, but let me tell that all the 2000 paina, all our officers, they have done excellent job. All my staff officers, their staff, our Raju inspector, he was working day and night collecting data. In addition to that, collecting all the material also, whether it's a face mask or the sanitizers or the gloves, or distributing food to the public also. He was in the forefront to do all these things. Never he showed any tiredness, he and his staff. And fortunately or unfortunately, our number was also given to the public by the state government site. So lot of calls we were getting, though it was not related to our traffic job, but still our Raju and his people, they were getting those calls. But we never rejected or objected any call. Immediately we have contacted the concerned land order police or any other department to solve the issues. So that way, behind the back door also lot of work was being done by our traffic police, and all credit goes to all of you. All Nursing Rao was also doing good work, collecting data and timely sending to the senior officers then our Murli Krishna, RA admin, our RA MTO, Adi Murthy, Harish, all these officers, they were on the field when there was a requirement. From the day one, they were asked to go on the field and they were there, and very sincerely they were doing. So it is the all teamwork, and especially I would like to mention our Rangya Garu and Vidyasagar. They are in the last leg of their service. Next month, both of you, Miru August, Miru June. So they are going to retire, but without caring for their age and without caring for their own health condition. I know Vidyasagar has some medical problems also, but despite that, they were leading from the forefront, and they were always seen on the road working with their men. So I congratulate them and appreciate their efforts also. And as CP sir already told, ఇది war ఇంకా ఇది ఫినిష్ కాలేదు. It will continue for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. We don't know. అది ఇంకా వ్యాక్సిన్ నిన్న మొన్న టీవీలో వచ్చింది దట్ అమెరికా యూకే దే హ్యావ్ డెవలప్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ సౌండ్ గుడ్ రిజల్ట్. లెట్స్ హోప్ దట్ ఎంత తొందరగా వస్తే అంత మంచి ఉంది. బట్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ తో దే ఇస్ నో పాజిటివ్ రిపోర్ట్ ఆన్ దిస్ వ్యాక్సిన్ ఆర్ మెడిసిన్. అండ్ యూ నో దట్ మన ఇండియాలో ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ నౌ క్రాస్డ్ 1,06,000 అండ్ ఎవ్రీ డే నంబర్ పెరుగుతుంది. సో ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు బికాజ్ ఇప్పుడు పబ్లిక్ కూడా మన రోడ్ మీద చాలా ఇది లాక్డౌన్ రిలాక్సేషన్ వచ్చింది. సో మోర్ పబ్లిక్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ ద రోడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి మోర్ కేర్ఫుల్. మన లాక్డౌన్ ఓన్లీ లిమిటెడ్ పబ్లిక్ వాజ్ ఆన్ ద రోడ్, బట్ లాక్డౌన్ లిఫ్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత రిలాక్సేషన్ తర్వాత the more public will be on the road, so it means more infection on the road. So we have to take all the cares which we have taken the last 2 months. As CP sir told, is continuously wearing this face mask, then using sanitizers, and wherever possible use hand gloves, and special, don't touch your eyes, your nose and mouth. That is very important. Now we have to leave that habit of touching our mouth with our naked hands. Adevidhanga, we should not touch our face mask also, because now I am wearing face mask. So outside something is there, so we should not touch. Idi etla use cheyali adi kuda tarika undi. Mana only we have to hold from here. That's all. Pette time lo kuda and teese time lo kuda only we have to hold from here. That's all. So these are all precautions we have to take, and we have to tell our colleagues, we have to tell our family members also, so that we are all not infected by this virus, and we have to continue taking all these precautions. And so far we have been very lucky, though we had 3-4 positive cases in Hyderabad City Police. But all the persons, they got cured. Now they are back at home. That is a very good thing. But Mumbai lo, today morning I was seeing already 13 police personnel have died also. So there is no need to fear. Only thing we have to take precautions. So if we take precautions, nothing will happen. So we should not be careless. We should not be overconfident. अरे मेरे को कुछ नहीं होता, मैं तो सिकंदर हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So we have to keep continuing taking these precautions, and because not only important for us, but it is important for family members also. You have old age parents, you have old age relatives at home. They are more vulnerable. People who are already suffering from some disease, they are more vulnerable. So we have to see that we don't take infection to those people at home. So that is why ఇది చాలా రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ మీ మీద అందరి మీద, దట్ వైల్ డూయింగ్ అవర్ డ్యూటీ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఆల్ దీస్ ప్రికాషన్స్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. I will not take much time. Once again we thank our CP sir that he organized this program and facilitated all of you, but because of CS meeting he has to go. So keep doing good work, and we'll keep rewarding you, and take care. Thank you. Thank you.